Go from this to this. Hi Malpals, so today's video is all about hair today. It's my other obsession other than makeup. Hair products. Can't get enough, can't buy enough, can't try enough. It's a problem. And since I have started Imuran once again, one of my main concerns is volume and fullness and, keeping my hair healthy yet not fine looking. So I have gathered all of my go-to products from wet to dry, so products that you use when your hair is wet to dry. Whether you're using a volumizing shampoo and conditioner or not, these products are still gonna work for you, and these products will still work for people with thicker, fuller hair. Let's get into this. Let's use some products. I'll show you how to go from this to this. Let's talk about what we do when our hair is wet. So I also like a blow dry cream or something like that. I really like Bumble and Bumble's thickening cream, but I do find it a bit heavy for how fine my hair is. But what I've really been enjoying while my hair is wet is the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Go Big treatment. It says it's supposed to expand your locks and make them look and feel fuller, and I believe that it does. I start at the roots and go through the ends and brush it through, and I don't find this is as heavy as like a thickening cream or, that type of styling product. So if you're looking for something to put in your hair while it's wet to keep it full all day, my hair looks pretty full now than it usually does because I have been using this. Really like it. If you're unfamiliar with Bumble and Bumble products, usually all the ones that I have tried, bought over the years have been a get out of the park. What is that? And then what I like, I bought this, I bought this over the summer. This is the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Full Form Mousse. I did not use this today, but what you do with this product, and I really like the dispenser on this mousse, you put it in your hands and spread through your fingers, roots to ends, and then you blow dry. This, I would say, if you're used to styling your hair with a round brush and you're used to heat and hair styling, giving yourself a nice blow dry, you'll enjoy this. If you're not, this is a little tough to work with. I would say you need a little experience in giving yourself like a full blow dry to use this. That's just my experience with it, because if not, you're gonna get kind of frustrated because it does thicken your hair as it's drying, and you kind of really got to use your arms to get it in there with the round brush. So you can't just put this in your hair and then flip your head over and then just dry it. You really need to style it as you dry if you are going to use this. Didn't use this today because I need to get out the door, but I wanted to film this because as I was doing my hair, I got excited about hair products. Now let's talk about my favorite dry volume sprays. If you've been watching me for a while, then you have seen me mention these three products, especially this one for years. Have repurchased this for years and years. Back to when I was in the Allure Beauty Blogger competition, I talked about this. Thickening Dry Spun Finishing Spray. This stuff is incredible. I think that it gives you a medium to strong volume level. So if you're not wanting to go too crazy, this is for you, and it does give you a little hold. So for fine hair, sometimes it's a little intimidating to put hairspray on because that weight of that hairspray can, weigh you down. This I have repurchased. This I discovered at Natalie's salon. This is the Kevin Murphy Do-Over Dry Powder Hairspray. Basically like a hairspray and a volumizing spray in one. So again, like this one, this will give you both hold and volume, which I really, really love. And I love the smell of this. I'm going to show you a comparison actually between these two, what I'm talking about. So on one side, I'm going to spray the Dry Spun Finishing Spray, and this is how I like to dispense the product. I shake it up. I kind of waterfall my hair. You can go with the roots, but the ends are also important when you don't have that much volume. Now, look at the difference in this side, and this will hold this style. I'm not kidding. Even the ends look better. So this is the Kevin Murphy Do-Over Spray. Again, I like to apply it just like I do the Bumble and Bumble. I think that's about the same amount. So this is the side with the Kevin Murphy do-over. This is the side with the Bumble and Bumble thickening spray. I feel like this definitely has a softer texture to it. This, you do feel a product in your hair, which is kind of nice. Throughout the day, you can kind of do this and like kind of reactivate that product. The other one that I love, and this is recent, this is the Kerastase Volume in Powder Spray. This again smells extremely amazing. So again, I just like to apply this right like that. What I like about these sprays is they do have a very like strong sprayer. So you're gonna get volume for your buck, you know what I'm saying? I don't necessarily want it like huge at the top. I like it to be kind of fat at the ends and then at like the mid-length and the ends. You know, you can apply these products where you want them and, you know, treat that area. The other guy I want to talk about is the Way Dry Shampoo Foam. I feel like people either love this or hate this, and I, for one, love it. And I think this is a product that you need a little experience in styling your hair. It's not something like you're used to throwing a ponytail in, or you just like to quickly dry your hair and you're done. Like, it's a little more high maintenance of a product. I love it for updos and half updos, not necessarily when I wear my hair all the way down, but you apply this, it comes out like a mousse, and you apply this to the roots. And I like to apply it to the ends if I'm going to do a braid. It just makes your hair look a little bit fatter and thicker. Now we're getting into some products I feel like are old school. Like, you can go back to one of my first videos and hair tutorials, and I talked about Osis Dust It Powder. I have used this for years and years and years, and you can apply this to your roots or to the back. If you like volume in the back, you can apply it there. Use it how I like to use it. One of the things, you know, you can fake volume up here, right? But what's really hard is to get your ends to look thick and full. So I'm going to do one side with this because I have another product that's comparable. This stuff is really cool. I don't know how it does it, but it makes your hair look thick and full, and it holds it all day. So I just like to put a little in my finger. Don't breathe that in, Mallory. And then I like to take it in my ends. And you do feel the product in your hair. Let's not get that twisted. But it will hold your hair how you mold it. So look at the difference here. My ends already look fuller and just thicker from like under mid-length to end. It'll stay like that for the rest of the day. Like I said, been using this for years, love it. The other thing, if you would like something with a little less hold, a little less feeling in the hair, I highly recommend a product that I've repurchased several times. It's the Bumble and Bumble Preta Powder. I've talked about this on my channel several times before. I really like the scent. The Osis Dust It doesn't have a scent, by the way. This one, watch me like snort Preta Powder. That's not gonna be good. It's like a light kind of scent, and I like to put that through my fingers. And this is much more of a dry feeling. It's like a dry shampoo powder, which I really, really like. So I'll show you the difference here in what it does. So as you can see, it definitely pumps up the volume because you're adding product to the ends and it's clinging to your hair. But this side has much more movement than this side. So if you like kind of like sex hair or bed head, whatever you want to call it, and you like that kind of messier, I say use the Osis Dust It. But if you want volume with movement in your ends, I highly recommend the Bumble and Bumble Preta Powder. Both are incredible, but both do completely different things. The hair is much more volumized. It has like product to fatten it up, and it's just overall, I don't know, a style that I prefer. Now, not everybody likes volume and like bed head type of waves, but if you do, I feel like these products are perfect. And they work really well. I just inhaled a hair. And they work really well with straight hair too. These are all the products that I love and that I highly recommend if you are somebody who struggles with having fine hair, if you have medicines that make your hair fall out, like me, being on low-dose chemo off and on, my hair goes through the roller coaster of trauma, I'm telling you. So having products that help me feel a little more confident in my hair game helped me, so I hope this helped you. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also tag me on Instagram if you end up using these and posting about them. Everything I talked about and mentioned will be in the info below. Thank you so much for watching, Mal Pals. I love you guys. Goodbye.